Breakups can physically hurt. Why does a breakup feel like a punch in the gut or a stab in the chest? You might be surprised to learn that the reason has to do with your body's reaction to emotional pain. Emotional pain, like grief and heartbreak, activates many of the same neural pathways in the brain as physical pain. A study published in the journal Neuron in 2011 used fMRI scans to show that the brain regions activated by physical pain, such as the anterior cingulate cortex and insula, also light up during intense emotional distress. They found that the intensity of these responses is similar for both physical pain and emotional pain. The researchers believe that this overlap evolved so that our brains could prioritize dealing with distressing situations. When you feel physical pain, your brain doesn't distinguish between emotional or physical pain. It just knows that something is wrong and needs to be fixed. That's why heartbreak can feel like a literal ache or even chest pain. In fact, broken heart syndrome is a real, albeit temporary condition. It's a rare but well-documented phenomenon where a sudden emotional shock, typically a loss or extreme stress, can trigger a temporary weakening of the heart muscle. So why exactly does a breakup hurt so much? Let's take a deeper look. 1. Brain processes emotional and physical pain similarly. As mentioned earlier, studies have shown that the brain areas involved in processing physical pain also play a role in emotional pain. This means that your brain doesn't differentiate between the two. When you experience a breakup, your brain perceives it as a threat and triggers a stress response, releasing hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. These hormones can cause physical symptoms such as muscle tension, leading to headaches or digestive issues like nausea or loss of appetite, and fatigue due to either poor sleep or emotional exhaustion. 2. Withdrawal from love's addiction. Romantic love can be addictive. Like when you're in love, your brain releases feel-good chemicals like dopamine and oxytocin. Losing that person can make you crave those feel-good hormones, leading to anxiety and even withdrawal-like symptoms such as flu-like aches. This is similar to other forms of addiction because your brain is going through changes as it adjusts to the loss of the substance or person that was providing those feel-good chemicals. 3. The vagal connection. The vagus nerve is the longest cranial nerve in the body. It connects your brain to your gut and heart. When you experience intense sadness or heartbreak, it can stimulate the vagus nerve, leading to physical symptoms like chest tightness or heartache, butterflies in the stomach, or nausea. 4. Immune system and inflammation. Chronic emotional stress, including that from a breakup, can weaken your immune system and increase inflammation in the body. This can make you more susceptible to getting sick or feeling fatigued for a long time after a breakup. So a breakup can feel like a roller coaster ride for your body, from mood swings to appetite changes and even chest pain. But the good news is that just like a physical wound, emotional pain heals with time and self-care. The physical symptoms you experience during a breakup are a testament to how deeply you loved and how human you are. Feeling physical symptoms when you go through a breakup is perfectly normal and understandable. It means that you cared deeply for the person you lost, and that you're re-experiencing the natural emotional and physiological response to loss. Remember that you're not alone in feeling this way. Many people experience physical symptoms when going through a breakup, and it's a sign of your body's way of coping with a difficult situation. How to ease the physical pain? While it's normal to experience physical symptoms during a breakup, there are ways to ease the pain and discomfort. Here are 5 things you can do to help yourself feel better. 1. Movement. Exercise releases endorphins, which are natural painkillers. 2. Social support. Hugs or any form of touch can boost oxytocin levels, which can help reduce stress and anxiety. 3. Sleep and nutrition. Getting enough sleep and eating healthy foods can help restore your body's balance and improve your overall well-being. 4. Mindfulness. Practicing deep breathing exercises can help calm the vagus nerve and reduce feelings of sadness or anxiety. 5. Time. Give yourself time to grieve and heal. Allow yourself to feel the emotions and don't try to rush the healing process. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more informative mental health content. Thanks for watching.